Hello everybody, I'm Edwin from the Cutting Room Creative in Nanaimo, British Columbia, Canada, and welcome to our video today. This is Michelle, my lovely model, and we're going to do a nice style out with Michelle's hair, and we're going to use and show some style color. We've obviously pre-curled Michelle's hair. Our start, MOISTREPAIR Shampoo, MOISTREPAIR Conditioner. We prepped our blow dry with our ADDVOLUME Styling Foam. The curls were done with our 2-in-1 THERMASHAPE spray, and everything was just curled from mid-length through the ends, all coming back off the face. So let's drop these down. Let's see how that's going to work out. So I'm just going to take my clips out. So first thing I'm going to do is actually a little bit of liquid dust. Now obviously I need to use a lighter color, something that I'm going to be able to see when she flips her head back. So I think what I'm going to go with is the ice concrete. Just for fun, let's do the Stonewash Denim. And we'll go a little heavier on some of the ends. So yeah, that's just a very easy way to apply the style color, something you can do at home yourself, and it's not going to go everywhere. And I think we'll finish with a little bit of our working spray. And that's our finished look with Michelle. Thank you everybody, I hope you enjoyed that.